looking very disheveled because she took an unexpected dip in a river. So, and she took a dip, she got totally wet. We're hoping that she doesn't have brain damage and nothing, and her hair doesn't totally fall off. So,
You'll be fine.
we'll keep you posted. Goodbye. Oh, and here are all of her clothes. She had Crocs on, so her shoes weren't.